important to reward people who have been involved within the community, especially young people who don't often get recognition for their achievements. Some of which can be like astronomical, like sporting, teamwork, arts. All of them are very important to like the community and young people, and we just really want to recognise them and be able to appreciate what they've done.
All I can tell you is you got to be free and come together right now.
Hopefully a very lively atmosphere and very influential speakers are going to talk about and introduce different topics like Emilia Garecki, long distance running, so hopefully lots more of that. Hopefully it should just be a lively, entertaining night.
You must be really excited to be presenting an award tonight.
Yeah, definitely. I'm over the moon to present an award tonight. I think it's fantastic to recognise the achievements of everyone here today, especially with a sporting background like myself. I'd love to just acknowledge everyone's achievements and try and inspire them to keep going, really.
And it's really important to have an evening like this, isn't it, to recognise the work that young people do, so you sort of recognise that as you've come through.
Yeah, definitely. I think, especially with the award that I'm presenting, a lot of the children are quite young, so it's fantastic to give them confidence and just acknowledge what they've done so far in their lives, and hopefully inspire them to keep progressing and keep pushing on in their achievements.